Nandito kami sa Lens Crafters. Si Calvin kasi sabi namin gamitin niya yung benefit. Sayang naman eh. Kumuha siya ng Gen 2.
I want Yoshi and the Mysterious Ball.
Oh, yeah. Nakakita siya ng game sa Switch. Kaya sabi niya, I want to get that game. Sabi namin, tapusin niya muna yung mga existing games niya bago siya bumili eh. Ito na ang Lucky.
Thank you, school district and city. I got my Meta.
Lucky teenager.
Meta. And
You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, not getting closer, you're killing me. You got it so bad.
Nakakuha na siya ng Ray-Ban
Mark, you okay there?
Meta glasses. Ayan. Fill up na lang ng paperwork para na sa ganoon may pasok na sa insurance, and then he can take home na the actual glasses, and then babalikan na lang namin yung prescription itself. Nakuha na ni Cal yung kanyang AI glasses. Sabi ko, suot niya sa labas para makita natin yung transition effect nung salamin niya. Gaano kaya kaganda or effective sa labas yung glasses niya. Malalaman natin mamaya. Yun, no? Binubukas na, oh. Come on, Court. Unboxing while walking. Not slippery? Oh. Yun, no? Tingin ka nga dito. Yo.
PVC 2.
TVZ2.
Yeah.
Let's take a look. Ay, wala pa sa labas eh. Mamaya, paglabas natin. Pag sinaga na ng araw, saan natin makikita yung effect niya.
we're gonna do like, what movie is showing today?
Oh, pero bagay sa iyo yung frame na yan. No, much better dun sa isa. Yung isa kasi parang masyadong makapal eh.
Hindi na nakakapalan na ako sa... Or
Manipis na yan.
Solid black.
Oh. Yung bata, oh. Kukuha ba tayo ng chocolate dito?
Kumuha na kami.
Ha? Kaya kayo, ha? Dito sa Ladera kasi mayroong free
When he got free
taste
chocolate.
test. 2 hands.
Kala niya.
Para namamalimos.
Ang damak ibibigay. Get chocolate na. We're done.
Pa tayo.
Siya yung nagbigay sa amin na.
Free taste test.
Clark, come here.
I get sample. Thank you. Yeah. No, this is good. There you go. Say thank you. Thank you. Naglalakad ka lang, may free dessert ka na.
That's your second.
You know.
Where's the Christmas
it turning?
tree?
Just wait for it.
Funny enough.
Mom.
What?
Mom.
Yeah.
Where's the
Wait, wala na yung
Christmas
ano,
tree?
yung monitor.
Didn't check it out.
Wala na eh. Tapos na yung parang pinaka show. Eh, nakapack up na siya. Oh, it's darkening. Yeah. Look, it's oh, yeah, nagda-darken.
Clark can't wait. See here.
The more you expose it sa sunny.
Where? Let's see.
Let's take a look.
Oh, my.
Oh, look here, look here, look here, look here. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Ayun ka dyan.
Ito yung break. Oh, hanggang ngayon sarado pa. Inaantay namin magbukas eh. Kailan kaya magbubukas? Good morning. Sama rin si Cal and Clark. Today, mag-celebrate tayo
Are we
dito sa
at the final
Moxie's.
level of PVZ Pirate Seas, Dad?
I don't know. Ayan, dito tayo mag-celebrate
I play
ng Father's Day.
PVZ too.
Ano mo?
Pasta Madeira.
Madeira.
Where's my french fries, Dad?
Okay.
We have
Ay
a
tayo.
disgruntled customer.
We're here in Calvin School. Mag-i-inspect tayo, tutulong tayo, volunteer.
Let's take it back a few good years to when the world was ending. Let's take it back to me and you. You called me up and said that you just got your driver's license and that there's nothing we can do. Running every light past the city of Pasadena, at Cecilia on the radio. Swear I could have died right there and I'd be happy. Guess I'm tripping. 'Cause where'd it go? And I wonder, I wanna know if life gets any better. Pretend like it's raining, talk about.
Ito, mga volunteer ng Palmer High School. Nagde-decorate. Kasi dito gaganapin yung
Dry grad.
yun.
Para sa mga hindi alam, ang dry grad is
Ay,
after party after ng prom. Pero kaya siya dry kasi no alcohol, no drugs. It's like a safe place.
narinig na yun ha. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng dry god. Ng dry sa dry god. Okay.
Yeah.
Yan. Ayan na po ang ating second wall. Next batch. Ito naman.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though
You can start.
Musical notes.
These are all done. You can just...
Sabi ng boss ko, dito ko na daw eh. Yeah, here's the bigger gym. Dito daw yung party. Ayan. They're setting it all up. Pero kami tapos na kami kaya escape na kami. Hindi kami na malayan. Nakakadalawang oras na pala kami.
Gusto ko pa nga eh.
Nag-i-enjoy ang aking misis. At sabi niya babalik daw sa bukas para tumulong pa.
After
Talaga
work
naman.
naman yung bukas. Oh, grabe, 30 degrees.
Ay nako. Ang dedication ng aking asawa. Tapos sabihin mo sa akin parang hindi ka ba nag-i-enjoy sa trabaho mo? Parang dito pala pinapakita mong happy ka.
Kasi maraming tumutulong dito.
Mga
Sa trabaho ko
event.
ako lang, tsaka si Tiffany.
Nasa bagay. Ayan.
Ano ka ba? Baka hindi na natin magawa to para kay
So wait, si
Clark.
Cal saan nagpunta?
Sa Superstar, wala yung Pokemon.
Ah, okay.
With Danny.
Anyway, pauwi na tayo. Pahinga. And then, magpaplano kami ng schedule namin pagdating nila Kuya Junel nga pala.
So, yan yung mga nasa wall. May ganyan parang photo wall. Ito yung parang memory wall. The next chapter awaits. Tapos parang may lounge pa sila dito area para sa mga gusto ng quiet time. So ito yung mga parent volunteers that made it happen. So pagpasok nila, ito naman yung parang large gym. Tadaan sila dito sa parang balloon tunnel. So cute. So ito. Ganda. Yan. Tapos marami pang mga stuff dito. Picture, photo walls. May food. May jazz. Ito yung parang La La Land theme nila. Pwede sila manood ng movie. Yeah. That's it. Ito naman, special creation ng isang parent. Mga fruit. Beautifully sliced fruits.
We have to create it. Make sure.
City of mine. How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.